Today, we are diving into the fascinating world of Viagra and its potential effects on brain health. By the end of this video, you will learn how this little blue pill can help you prevent dementia and improve brain function. Stick around to find out more. You won't want to miss this. And if you love staying updated with trending news and facts about India, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and visit my blog. In this video, we are going to discuss 6 key questions. What is Viagra and how does it work? How can Viagra improve brain function? What are the scientific findings supporting this? And we will also be discussing 3 more questions. Viagra, also known by its genetic name sildenafil, is medication primarily used to treat erectile dysfunction. It works by relaxing muscles and increasing blood flow to particular areas of the body. Specifically, Viagra inhibits an enzyme called phosphodiesterase type 5. By blocking PDE5, Viagra increases levels of cyclinic guanosine monophosphate, which promotes muscle relaxation and blood flow. So, if Viagra is mainly used for one purpose, how could it possibly benefit the brain? It turns out, Viagra doesn't just improve blood flow to the areas related to erectile dysfunction, but also to other parts of the body, including the brain. When it enhances blood flow to the brain, it improves oxygen and nutrient delivery, which are essential for healthy brain function and could potentially ward off cognitive decline. Did you know that research has shown Viagra can increase cerebral blood flow by up to 7.9%? Several studies have found that sildenafil, the active ingredient in Viagra, enhances the function of blood vessels in the brain. For instance, it improves blood flow to the medial temporal lobe, an area crucial for memory and cognition. Scientists discovered that men taking Viagra had an 18% lower risk of developing Alzheimer's disease compared to those not using this medication. For the highest users, the risk reduction was even more significant at 44%. Before we dive into the next points, do you think the potential brain benefits of Viagra are worth exploring further? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Why is blood flow important for brain health? Now, you might be wondering, why is blood flow so critical for the brain? Our brain depends heavily on a steady supply of blood to deliver oxygen and nutrients that are essential for its function. Without adequate blood flow, brain cells can become damaged or die, leading to cognitive decline. Improved blood flow can help protect against the damage that leads to conditions like vascular dementia and Alzheimer's disease. So, maintaining good vascular health is crucial for keeping our brains sharp and functioning well. If Viagra can boost blood flow to the brain, what are the potential benefits? Besides potentially lowering the risk of dementia, improved blood flow might enhance overall cognitive functions like memory, reasoning, and judgment. However, it's important to consider the risks as well. While Viagra is generally safe when used as prescribed, it can cause side effects like headache, dizziness, vision changes. There is also the potential for more serious side effects in some individuals, especially if used incorrectly or without medical supervision. Therefore, more extensive research is needed to fully understand the long-term effects of using Viagra for brain health. Finally, let's talk about what future research is needed. Although the findings so far are promising, we need more large-scale clinical trials to confirm the direct relationship between Viagra use and reduced dementia risk. Researchers need to study diverse populations over a longer period to ensure these benefits are consistent and significant. Moreover, it's important to explore the mechanism by which Viagra improves brain health to develop targeted therapies for dementia and other cognitive disorders. If you found this video insightful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more trending news and fascinating facts about India. I would love to hear your thoughts on this topic in the comments below. Your engagement motivates me to make more videos for you. See you in the next video. You can also check out the videos that are on your screen.